75 in Yakima. The current time is 4:16 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
For the following areas: Yakima Valley, issued at 4:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday, December 28th. A wind advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning. Timing: strong winds and wind gusts will continue this morning. The winds and wind gusts should gradually decrease after sunrise this morning. Winds: south to southwest winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour are expected, but wind gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour will occur at times near the base of the Simcoe Mountains and the Cascades. The strongest gusts are most likely to occur along the south side of the lower Yakima Valley and over areas to the west of Yakima. Impacts: strong winds will create difficult driving conditions for high-profile vehicles. This will especially be the case for vehicles traveling in an east or westbound direction. The forecast for the Yakima Valley, including Sunnyside and Yakima, wind advisory in effect until 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning. For today, cloudy, a chance of rain in the morning, then rain likely in the afternoon. Breezy, highs 40.
It is raining really hard right now. It's pouring. So we got about 1/4 of an inch of rain on the fell this morning, and it's coming down very hard. You can hear it. It's pouring outside.
For tonight, cloudy, rain likely in the evening, then a chance of rain overnight.
But here's my ER 102
chance of precipitation 60%. And for Thursday,
doing its thing.
with a 30% chance of rain. Highs 43 to 48.
See, it's 20 after 4 in the morning.
Gusts around 30 miles per hour in the morning. The forecast for the east slopes of the Washington Cascades, including Cleellum, Easton, Trout Lake, and Natchez for today. Rain. Highs 43 to 48.
Chance of rain for us. It's raining.
Chance of precipitation 90%. For tonight, rain. Lows 33 to 39. West wind 15 to 20 miles an hour and gusty. Chance of precipitation 90%. And for Thursday, rain likely. Highs 40 to 45. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. The forecast for Simcoe Highlands, including Bickleton and Goldendale, for today, rain likely. Highs 47 to 52. Southwest wind 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. For tonight, rain likely.
4:19 a.m. No, it's 4:20.
West wind 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. And for Thursday, rain likely. Highs 44 to 49. West wind 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts around 30 miles an hour in the morning. Chance of precipitation 60%. On this day, in 2003, a strong winter storm hit eastern Oregon and Washington beginning the evening of the 27th, producing heavy snow across much of the area. In Oregon, Sun River and Camp Polk had 10 inches of snow, while Monument had 8 inches of snow. It received 6 inches of snow, while Hebner, Lexington,
It does that sometimes.
5 inches of snow. Both Mitchell and Elgin also received 4 inches of snow. In Washington, Roslyn had 10 inches, just north of White Salmon had 8 inches, and Walla Walla received 5 inches of snow. The extended forecast for eastern Washington. For Friday, lower elevation rain and mountain snow. Highs in the upper 30s to upper 40s. Lows in the 30s. For Saturday, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow showers. Highs in the lower 30s to lower 40s. Lows in the mid-20s to lower 30s. For New Year's Day, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow showers. Highs in the upper 20s to lower 40s. Lows 18 to 28. These are the 4 a.m. observations at Yakima. Light rain was falling. Temperature
Light rain, yeah, right.
35, and relative humidity 89%. Wind north at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 29.85 inches and rising. At Ellen